Melissa here, bringing you more VIP magic, and the magic today is the Disneyland Resort Hotel. And I have been here many times. I have never stayed in a corner room. So I want to show you what a club level premium view king corner room looks like. And look at these windows. They are magical. Such a great space with lots and lots to show you. So I can't wait to get started. And for your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa VIP Magic. You can find me at melissavipmagic.com. Book with a VIP expert so you don't miss a thing. Like and subscribe. Click that bell for notifications to follow all my Disney travels around the world. Now let's get started with me showing you this beautiful club level room. Let's go. Our premium club level room is 2667. Let me give you a tour. Wow. I just love the Disneyland Hotel, and one of the things that I love about it is it's classic. Walt was here, the rooms are large, the spaces are beautiful, and this is an exquisite king premium view club level room. And it's the corner, check it out. So I'm going to be showing you every detail on a quick run through, and then I'll go back as you're used to and show you every detail. Y'all, check this view out. This is downtown Disney. Seriously, premium view. Oh my gosh. There's Space Mountain. There's Pixar Place. Oh my gosh. There's the Grand Californian. This is just amazing. There's the Matterhorn. Too much. Batu. And you know we'll see fireworks over here at night. So cool. All right, let's get started. Now this is a king bed, as I mentioned, a king premium view. Love this. And then we have space underneath to put our suitcases, which I love. As I mentioned before, we are walking in Walt's footsteps. So we are honoring him there as he steps through the castle. On the side here, we have our side table. It has lovely drawers and a light. Love that. And we have an alarm clock there. Now, I've said this many times, but the headboard. The headboard! My daughter, when she was growing up, would come and love to see the fireworks light up. I'm going to show you that in just a minute. Hi, Paige! And then here's our pillow. A dream is a wish your heart makes when you're fast asleep. I love that. And then we have little nods to Mickey, little hidden Mickeys here. So nice. Oh, and the linens are fantastic. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm going to show you this now. So right here, you turn this light off, and then this one has fireworks. Watch. It's even better when it's dark, but all the lights come on and a dream is a wish your heart makes plays. Isn't that so nice? I love that feature. Here's your remote control. Here's your Disneyland Hotel notepad and your phone, and another wonderful side table. And I know I mentioned the carpet, but I just love the fireworks carpet. It's so friendly and happy. I love that, and magical. Now I will be working, so I will be booking Disney Cruise Line, Disneyland, Disney World, Disney Paris, all right there, and Adventures by Disney. So don't hesitate to contact me. I work all the time, and you too can have a beautiful desk here. Now we have a nod, a hidden Mickey to our lamp here. Love that. And then we also have lots of plugs. I like to show my guest plugs because those mean so much now with all of our electronics. USB, USB-C, regular, so you will be all set. Now here is a little notebook that has all the conveniences, the wellness, our story, conveniences, in-room dining, and welcome to the Disneyland Hotel. So that is there for your convenience. Love that. Now we have welcome Giles family. So here's our chest of drawers, and we have a flat screen TV, And we also have a Keurig. So you've got the club lounge, the high key club lounge, but you also have your own Keurig with 70th anniversary Joffrey's coffee. You have tea, English breakfast, decaf, and you've got your cups here if you need those. I love these, you guys. Look at the packaging. The condiments kits for your coffee is here. I take these home. I just love, love, love this packaging. It's awesome. And we got a bottle of water, which is nice, and we got more water that we brought down from the lounge. So no worries. 3 drawers here for you, and they're very full. And then we have a refrigerator. Now these are dorm size refrigerators. You are in this room in the club lounge, so you can bring all your food down. We actually, I'm gonna show you back here, we have Club Zero water, bottled water from the club lounge, so much that you can just bring down here and take into the park from there. So you'll have that to keep it cool. We have actual glasses, so these are not plastic, they are for real, and then you can get your ice as well. Very good. Now, the drapes. This view is phenomenal. So you have a, like I said, it's a corner room. So you've got these 2 floor to ceiling windows, and the drapes, we can do this drape where you can see, I like that. Or we have this beautiful dark out drape with magical stitching. That's very pretty. So we can do either one, which is great. Right now it's daytime, afternoon, so we're going to leave those open. Now let me come back and show you. We have a beautiful mirror, and then we also have a stool, a trash can, and a recycle. We just got here, so we haven't unpacked yet. We have a nod to Disneyland here. I love that. Dumbo, 33, we've got Pluto, and there we have Walt. Love that. So you have quite a beautiful walk-in area here. Let me know if you've got a family that needs a 2 queen. We can connect here, and we can guarantee your connecting room if there's 2 adults and lots of kiddos. Don't try to do this on your own. I do this all day, every day. I know which rooms connect. I can guarantee connecting rooms in certain situations that you may not know. I'm a professional. I've been booking Disney since 2011. Please use my expertise and services so you have the best experience, and let's get you that connecting room if needed. Let's go on here, and we have the beautiful bathroom. I love the Disneyland bathrooms. Here's the mirror, single sink here, and look at Mickey's hands. The lamps have a hidden Mickey here, and then his hands, his gloves. I love that so much. Very whimsical. And then we have our Disney Resort hand soap and body lotion here. We also have a dental kit. You are in club level, remember. We have shower caps and another dental kit. We have a monorail note from housekeeping, which is nice, by our room attendant. Thank you for taking such great care of us. We have towels. We have a makeup mirror here. Very nice. And you have tissue towels. And then I also see a hairdryer, which is great. More nods to Disneyland. Love that. And then straight ahead is your toilet area and your shower. So we have a toilet, we have our towels, and you've got a tub bath here. So you're going to be very comfortable in this room. You've got grab bars if needed. And again, you have all the bath products that you might need. Now notice, I love this, hidden Mickey. There he is, so cute, so cute. All the rooms are different. They all have different shapes and sizes, which makes it kind of custom. So it's really nice, and the rooms are so large. I mean, they are really bigger than any of the other 2 hotels. So depending on what you want and what kind of experience you want, we can talk about that, whether you stay at Pixar Pier, Disneyland Resort Hotel, or the Grand Californian. I've been in all 3 lots, and I'm happy to discuss that with you. Now moving on here, we have our closet in our area, entry area, and then we've got extra blankets and pillows here. We have an iron, we have an ironing board. We also have hangers, and we do have clippy hangers here. So plenty, you don't need to bring your own. We do have a safe, and then you're gonna set that on your own with your own cord. And then we have a luggage rack. So much, so great. We're gonna have the best time. I'm staying here until Sunday and then moving over to the Grand. I had to come see the High Key Club. It's amazing. And for your next Disney vacation, contact me, Melissa VIP Magic. It would be my pleasure to assist your family. Now, did you find Melissa VIP Magic after you put your $200 deposit down? Don't worry about that. If you book directly with Disney, you want my expertise, my tips, you want me to book your dining, you want me to book your private cabana, you want me to do all the things that I do all day, every day as my specialty, where you don't have to worry, contact me today. We can transfer your reservation under my care at no extra cost to you. And did you know my team price matches? So we monitor, and if any future Disney promotion comes out, we apply that to your existing reservation. So who knows, I may call and say, hey, you just saved some money. That would be my delight and my magical privilege to do that for you. I can't wait to serve your family. Contact Melissa VIP Magic today. See you real soon.